This video is going to show you how to set up your website in Adobe Portfolio. First, go to portfolio.adobe.com and sign in. If you are a Swinburne student, you have a free student account, so make sure you sign in using your student details. Once you've signed in, this is the page that will greet you. So one of the things they want you to do first is to pick a theme. You can swap them out if you change your mind later. You need to decide if you're going to do a full portfolio of a multi-page customizable site, or if you just want to do a welcome page. I recommend the full portfolio at this stage. Next, choose a theme. Now, if you have done a bit of research into different UX portfolios, you will probably have a vision in your mind of what you're looking for. Otherwise, you can swap back into a different theme later. I'm going to choose Marta. So it will show you the theme, so you can decide if this is the one for you. If it's not, just close out of it and you can choose a different theme. Let's look at Thomas. So I'm going to go with Lucas. Let's try that. Great. So now you're going to create your home page. Importantly, you need to have your name there so people know they've arrived at the right website. I would also recommend a short introduction to who you are and what your skills are, so that people know that your portfolio is going to be applicable to what they're looking for. And of course, you need links to your projects. Usually it will be in the form of a graphic. Make sure it's a very nice eye-catching graphic that makes people want to click through, and a brief description of what the project was. So here's the start of my portfolio website. I've gone in and just fixed my surname here. I might decide I want to be a little bit more approachable and use my nickname. I've typed a very short explanation of what I do. Now, one of the things is it's not letting me fix this logo. I don't want it there. I'm going to just turn that off. You can see that over here to the left, I can choose whether I want navigation or not, and whether I want a footer or not. So this is the start of my website, and then I'm going to put my projects down here. So once you're happy with the basic theme, you can actually go in and change bits so that it can better meet what you want to present as your professional identity. So I might change, if we go to, the background color and font just over here, I might change it to the light version of the theme. I can change the fonts as well, and of course add new Adobe fonts. You also have options for the background and the images. You can experiment with background colors if you want, though do be aware it might not apply to all sections of the site, and you can click preview to see what this would look like on your real site. Since this is a portfolio website, I of course want to ensure I have a page for each of my case studies showing my work. So we have a work link up here which shows a group. If I click on pages, you'll see that we have a collection here. I don't have any pages at the moment. You might have some default pages that Adobe has put together. Feel free to delete those, and you can click this plus button so that you can create a new page. And I am going to call this Running App Case Study, and I will create that page. So in this short video, I've shown you how to sign into Adobe Portfolio, how to choose a theme, how to customize the home page, and how to create a new page for your portfolio. The next video will show you how to add that case study to the page in your portfolio site.